Hi, I'm Mark, the workshop manager here at Partridge of Hampshire. Proactive care is about preventing a problem before it becomes a problem, meaning much more than just fixing an issue when it first arises. With advanced sensors and diagnostics, BMW Proactive Care monitors your vehicle 24/7, detecting potential issues before they become problems. From regular servicing to routine maintenance, Proactive Care is there to look after your car 24/7 and contact you directly if there is a problem. So how does it work? Make sure you have the correct settings and preferences on your connected drive account. This can all be done through the My BMW app. There is so much advanced technology in your vehicle, so make sure your personal profile is up to date, you have your settings turned on, and you have selected a preferred retail partner. If your vehicle develops a fault or is due routine maintenance, you will be contacted directly. You may even be contacted before the vehicle alerts you. Stay ahead and enjoy the benefits of BMW service with BMW Proactive Care.